Okay, this video is to help with homework number 5. I'm going to do just part A with you. Well, maybe I'll do part B because it's actually harder, and then I'll leave part A for you to figure out. So evaluate just means put in the value for x that they give you and then find the output. So our ordered pair is an input-output pair. So the first blank is actually just -5 here because that's our input. And then we have to calculate the output. So I'm going to write the whole statement out here with x replaced with -5. All right, and generally I would do all the calculations here and then take the opposite of it at the end because of this negative. Okay, so it would be on the top, you'd have -10 plus 1 all over 3. Okay, and so then that would be -9 divided by 3, so it would be -3. -9 divided by 3, and then do the opposite of that to get 3. So for part B, our input is -5 and our output is 3. Okay, and again, I'm going to leave part A for you to figure out. It's a similar type question, but hopefully you can figure it out now that you got this tip. All right, thanks for watching.